guys, so my name is Ananya and here is a computer expert, young computer expert from my side of view. His name is Shaunak Dashgupta. He is here to explain you all how we can run a program called BonziBuddy. You can see the image of Shaunak Dashgupta in this here, means the pink shirt boy sitting. That's Shaunak Dashgupta. He lives in Kachrapara, Kolkata, and now he wants to give an explanation to you all how to learn BonziBuddy. So I just want
Not learn, but how to run BonziBuddy, a Windows 10.
not to learn how to run. This is a code. You should please note this. And now I just want to give my words to Shaunak Dashgupta to start this. So please tell how we will do the BonziBuddy program.
You know, BonziBuddy is a computer virus, or what you call as a Trojan horse. So, BonziBuddy was made during the Windows Vista and XP times. It was based on a keylogger, and now we are going to run it.
Oh, so we have learned that he said that it is based on a keylogger, and now he will show the program to you how to run this. So please give focus in it. You will absolutely learn from this if anyone is facing problem.
Okay, so I hope that many modern people will not know about BonziBuddy, but
Okay.
I know it. I have learned it.
Okay.
And to run BonziBuddy, we have to install it using this installer. I am going to give the installing link in the description, okay? So that you can download it and test it. But as its servers are down and it is no longer working, then it is not a keylogger now. So you
Okay.
can test it in your computer.
Means it's not a keylogger now. Means what he said, it is depending on the keylogger. It is not a keylogger.
Its servers are all down.
Okay, its servers are all down. And next, what do you want to say about this?
Now, not anything to say, but to run it.
Okay, so let's focus on it and give a no, what to say now, nothing to say about it. Bum shoot on it and let's start it.
So, you see, now if we not run it as administrator,
Oh wow, it's a parrot.
yeah,
Okay, he's telling something.
he told thanks for pointing that out, okay?
Okay.
So, there are P commands, for example, hello, I am PD.
What's the name of PD? What is the meaning of PD?
PD is this parrot.
So he is all fond of love in this BonziBuddy program, and he is giving in front of his name PD Shaunak. Assistant.
Hello, I am PD, Shaunak's assistant.
Oh wow.
Nice to meet you guys.
Oh nice. Means now we have learned that a bot can also speak.
Yes, the one who made it.
Oh wow, have you heard this? He is telling us, hello, I am PD Shaunak, assistant. Nice to meet you guys.
You may not be able to hear it, but we are able to hear it.
Okay, okay, we will do some edits in it, and we will have to hear it.
So here is read a story. Great. Uh,
Okay, now see. What is this? A monkey is here now. Yes,
now
it's a
I will do something interesting. So
I will miss you, Shaunak.
yes,
He just get away. So let's now. No, okay. Means a program is run. Means you are writing, typing, and the bird is speaking. Means
Yes.
it's the program. It's a running program now. Okay. So now what you are going to do about it? After doing this.
after doing this, I am going to run I'm going to run BonziBuddy 3.
Oh, means it was BonziBuddy version
2.
Okay, it was Bonzibari version 2 and
You
now
have to
he-
run it as
Okay,
administrator.
why there is not the Bonzibari version 1 where it is?
No. The Bonzipari version 1 was not released, you know.
Okay, the Bonzibari, I do not know all this program, but here is a smarter. What's your age?
I hope you do not know my age, so I am going to tell it. And
Okay, what's your
my
age?
name, I mean my age is 10.
Okay, his age is 10 and he reads in class 5.
Okay, so now we are going to run Bonzi Buddy 3. But as you see it is coming Bonzi Buddy 35. Why?
Means
I also don't know.
means it's a runner program.
Now, so we have to run it as administrator or it will not work. See,
Again the monkey game. Oh wow, it's a nice background of the game.
So entertainment, home.
Means he's welcoming us and he is saying that it's always nice to visit our home.
Yeah.
Okay. Means he's telling Shonok if you
Yes.
yes, means
This
he's telling that
is a keylogger.
means he can talk also. He's saying Shonok, if you want that I'm talking too much, then F9 ki also now he is only taking a nap by telling others.
He's sleeping.
He is sleeping by telling us.
So, Ada, I did not give you 1 minute break. I didn't even give you 1 minute break.
Okay,
Wait,
he didn't
I
give
will
1
make him. So, as you see, we can't close. We have to close it using.
Bonzibari Task Manager. And now what you want to show this? Means
Bonzibari latest version.
Okay, Bonzibari latest version. So before coming to this interview, he was saying that he will show a latest version. And now it's a surprise to you that is Bonzibari 4 is released.
No, this is too old to run in Windows 10.
Okay. Again the monkey came, the funny monkey.
Yeah.
Again he's telling. Means he's telling Shonok what turn to with you.
I made him. I just.
He's laughing.
His laugh is like a. Okay. My. What? Play games. Okay.
Okay, so
What
now
is-
we will play games and eat this jungle jigsaw. Oh, what a nice music.
Tell a joke.
What did that beaver say to the tree? It's a nice running now. You. Don't worry, I've got plenty more.
How to
Oh
do?
wow, we are playing a maze here. So let's
Oh,
play the
I
maze.
understand. I understand.
So let's play the maze. You can see this. It's a very nice game.
I don't know.
Means
Bad game. Super bad.
Okay, it's a super bad game. He is telling means he knows that's why he's telling. So now what you want to do? Goodbye. Again he's laughing. I will kill this monkey. Again a butterfly came and he's now playing with the butterfly. The monk is playing with the butterfly. Oh nice.
Goodbye. His laugh is so crazy.
He's so crazy. He's laughing and all means everyone knows that monkey is a crazy type of animal, and now it's become more crazy in laptop.
You see, no task is running. This.
What are you telling? Just stop your mouth. Over damn on good.
I just. So you see, this is no longer a virus. So I am giving this download link in the description. Okay.
So now we are have means learn from this. So
And
I
it
am
will
telling
run.
that. Okay. So now you want to tell?
Yes, I want to tell how to install it.
Okay.
So I think you see, the company's name is Bonzi Software.
Okay.
If we run it, it has to run as administrator. Then we have to follow.
Next.
So all three main versions means there is that's why it is showing 35 because it is version 3.5. I now understand.
Means it was version 3.5 and now it's showing 35. It's really critical to understand. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So we are okay now. Sonak is telling something that I will not interrupt in it. So Sonak.
So now we will keep the path as same. Then install.
Okay. Now install and finish. Okay.
Now I am showing this because it will not run if you run it as administrator.
Okay.
I am going. Now it has
Now
changed.
it is came. It is came means again he's saying high and Sonak means now it's a
But
okay. So are you done? I can tell some.
very.
Okay, so he's telling something, and can you? He said bye Shonak, and now, as I told that he is a very small boy, about 10 age.
Yes,
he
then only.
He
About
reads
that.
only in class 5 and doing this type of very good job. So before coming to the interview, I was just asking him what you want to become in future. He just told me a nice start computer engineering means a nice thing, and he wants to make software. So when you will follow him, then you will always know about it. Just want to tell, please subscribe the channel name Computer is Fun, and subscribe and like, share and subscribe means always that we say every day, and nothing to say more. So now, so just we can say goodbye or close the window by saying it, or you can
Yes.
say something. You want to say something to audience?
No, I want to remind you again that I will provide you the download link in the description.
Okay, and please subscribe and like the channel. He will also give interest to you.
Yes. So bye.
So bye, goodbye, have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.